This video we are basically so basically we are converting into this 3D. Let's start. First, let's click here to create a new sketch. Create a sketch. Select frame. Enter the circle with center. Enter the internal dia is 45 mm and external dia is 50 mm. Leave the sketch and choose the pad option. Click here. Input the 100 mm. Access to symmetry. Now we'll select a plane. Create a new geometry at this plane. Here, enter a circle with diameter of 45 mm and choose the another diameter is 5 mm. Leave sketch and again take the pad option. Now it's 10 mm to reverse direction. Okay. We are creating opposite eyes at this point. Enter here. Create the sketch. Click here. Enter the diameter is 45 mm and another circle create 55 mm. Leave sketch and again we'll use pad option. Same but reverse direction. Okay. Now we'll use the perpendicular. Now we'll use perpendicular. We will take the perpendicular plane. So now we'll x, y, z. We will choose for perpendicular. Remove the 3D sketch. And again, we create a new circle with internal diameter is 50 mm. External diameter is 50 mm. Okay, now screw with dimension of 70 mm. We will achieve axis symmetry. Reverse. Now, this next step I have to remove the excess symmetry at this position. We don't need the extra material, so create a geometry at this point. Click here to create a new geometry at this place. Okay, click the diameter is 45. Okay, now we will choose the pocket section. This pocket diameter is okay. We remove the excess material. Now the next step is we create a hole at this pipe. So we will use and create a sketch at this point. Enter a circle 45. Okay, now we'll use pocket section. Okay, enter the input. Okay, now we create a pocket. So we are creating a T-joint. Okay. Now at this plane we have created a new face. Enter the circle. The outer diameter is 55. Leave the sketch. Okay, and use the pad of 6. Enter the same again. 45 I will enter. 55. Okay. Pad 6 is came with reverse direction. Now we are creating a key join with the help of 3D FreeCAD section. In this video, we are using add section, bring section, import section, and we are creating a 2D sketch to 3D sketch. Okay. At this point, we can say thank you for watching our tutorial.